Hello guys, welcome back to another Eat Venture video. I haven't uploaded a Eat Venture video in a little bit. So I'm gonna be opening big boxes. So let's get into it. Epic, rare, epic, common. Okay. Another one. Common, epic, common, rare. Legendary, I got a legendary. Oh my gosh. I need to look at that. Oh wait, these shirts, yeah. Wow, that's crazy. I almost have enough to forge it as well. That's all for today. Bye.